Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you the new update for the Paint app. Okay, let's start. To install the new Paint app, go to MS Store webpage. And also go to this webpage and copy the MS Store Paint app URL and paste it here. Now you can see the all version of Paint app. Select this version of Paint app and download it. Next you want to run the downloaded file and you can see a window like this. There's a button titles install and click on it. After this all steps, you can see this new Paint app with dark mode. And also we can see new settings page in Paint app. You can choose a theme from there. And also we have some new features like fit to screen and new zoom options. This new Paint app is really nice. Thanks for watching. See you in another video like this.